How to see your rating in chess.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to know what your rating is on chess.com? If so, this video is for you. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, head over to chess.com. After you head over there, make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, you should see your username on the top and your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. After you tap on it, you should be on this page right here. And there you'll see different tabs, overviews, and stuff. Head over to stats. Tap on the stats option, and if you scroll down, you should see your ratings on each category of chess, such as the daily, blitz, bullet, rapid, and everything else. So there you can see your chess ratings, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.